Matirenda maundu maya makorwo makimenyeka ni a Kenya, no ciuria a Kenya mareyuria thutha wa kumamenya ni ati ikai ateti a Kiambu a mwaho wa tutam maikuhanite atia gwakia na gwatuka o muthenya ni gicanjama iguru wa gicanjama kiria kingi. Ici no imwe cia ciuria kiondorita na iria andu guku nenda-ini mathiete na mbere gukorwo makiyuria thutha wa ndeto cia kumakania gukorwo cikianikwo, ndeto iria a Kenya matarendagwo magukorwo makimenya, ndeto cia thiri o riri githurano gia 2027 gitigetie mieri minini muno. Na itanakorwo ngikumenyithia ndeto ino iria nawe igukorwo igigutiga umakite na makiria gukorwo ugegete, itikira tu o tafadhali ukorwo gisubscribe thini wa channel itu agikorwo hihi subscribe na ningi uririkane gukorwo kihinyaga kengere niguo riria twakorwo tugigwikira maria marathie na mbere gukorwo makihanika guku bururi-ini waikoragwo hokiri wa mbere kumenyithagio. Ateti a mwaho wa tutam kana UDA na aria mania kuma kuria gicigo kia Mount Kenya kana kuria kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuona ati ni marathondeka mbeca wega na thirikari ya President William Ruto ni manjitie gwika minyonya, kuona ciringi ni gikoragwo no rugari na to minyonyo tu, kuona kuragituika ati ni manjitie gukorwo makihikia atumia a keri na gute atumia ao a mbere o undu umwe na ciana ciao, ni uria gibeti gikiimbite kana ni uria gibeti gikiri na mbeca nyingi cia thirikari. Na kuona ndeto ici nie ndikwenda gukorwo ngicicambicura ta uria cikiumburanitio ni andu ngurani, nie ni ngukorwo ngikutariria na ngiciquote kuma kuri mundu ta uyu na aria maragikorwo magicimenya wega, itikira tu tafadhali tukorwo tugiciquote kiugo gwa kiugo, wiiguire rugano rwi haha, rugano onawe rugutiga ukimakite. Kumburania wa mbere agakorwo akimenyithia a Kenya ati ngukorwo ngiquote aikorwo akiugo Njuguna Kawanjiku, after being voted in Kiambaa, decided to kick out his wife and kids from their matrimonial home and abandoned her in the street, who living for his side chick. Today, Kawanjiku held a very secretive wedding with the side chick after paying dowry to her parents at Rimuru. Kawanjiku's ex-wife has rented a house at the Ndegwa estate where she is living with her young kids. Ladies, stop marrying early. Look for money first, get a child when you want, and live your best life for yourself. Mundu urakimenya ndeto ici na uthinie muno agatariria muingi kana a Kenya agakorwo akimamenyithia ati akauga sahi hapa kwetu Rimuru there is a big after Rurasho party. Kawanjiku, a son of single mother, just paid dowry for the second wife who graduated from a side chick. Udaku haiko hapo. Sit down, relax and take a cup of tea as I narrate the story of what you people think is a good man and the things his good wife and kids are forced to endure in the process. Akina Wamuratha wote si watu, these things are animals. Hawa watu si watu wazuri, maroharo ni irio isio jagiri isi. Ebu mniamshie Mohonokia is like we'll be forced to save an MP wife before tuambiwe amepatikana hohwe. Agikoro akiongerera na agikoro akiandika mwanake oro uyu agathie na mbere gukorwo agitathaura ndeto ici na akamenyithia a Kenya ati the wedding was done yesterday in a sacred garden amid heavy security. There was no photos or videos allowed. Simu ziliwekwa kando, but do you know why? Listen, the MP and his good wife disagreed on the MP decision to have a side chick. Kasichana kakazaa na MP akasema atamuoa bibi, akasema not in her home. The MP first took the wife GLE and gave it to the side chick who complained of using a cheaper C-class Mercedes. The wife was told akitaka gari akubali. Number 2, the wife akakataa and she was run out of here with her daughters from their 5-star home in Kiambu. The wife moved to a plot pale the Ndegwa but since the MP didn't want any embarrassment, offered to build another home for the goat wife at Kiambu Road on condition she accept number 2. The goat akakataa na akaambiwa basi akanyage na wanawake, na they are currently reside in a rented apartment Tendegwa. A wedding was organized secretly and done jana. They worked so hard to ensure no photos or videos leaked, but again no one is above tea. Wacha I edit vids, mtashangaa venye akina Koge waliruka wanasherekea. Worth noting the MP was called by the father-in-law, na kwa kina side chick pia the extended family shunned the wedding as there is a rumor the girl and her mom sued their dad in 2017 at Timia Cafe Textile. Ladies and gentlemen, Kiambu needs reconstruction and Kiamba needs a savior. Now Kenya mwena comment section makoro make yumeria na makoro make ugo aleo to wetu Sisiri Simon akago one reason why a good wife should have a boyfriend, na Emily Watson akaga mliambiwa mkisikia kunu don't wait for sere, start using a steel wool as a food spice, even Murungu will understand. And Joaquin Joshua akauga it's just because he is known politician and very popular. Most of us fought the same battle silently and we were defeated and ended up being single by force, not by choice. And Jane Nyambo akawa there is a good reason why goat wife must have a boyfriend. And Grace Megu akauga all goat wife should have a back na up to do mawe and Karembo them wakaga another reason why women should love themselves without a care of what the society will say. And Monte Demo line akaga every goat wife must have a single man somewhere very recommendable. And Wangesh Ann akaga you all judged Jemima for saying she doesn't think marriage this Nyunashoro haya basi. And Grace Kemaroko then he will add another after re-election. And Uncle Toma akauga I wonder why adults have kidneys instead of aldertonies. Gũkũ nĩ kwa Mwangi wa Mohoro ngwĩhoe na gĩtĩo kĩnene kwa subscribe thĩinĩ wa channel ĩno itũ.